Hello everyone, my name is Alai. Today I want to talk about the World Cup and answer two questions. First, if I could invent a new rule to change how the World Cup is played, I would add a rule guide the five play bonus. With this rule, team that receive fewer yellow and red cards during the tournament would earn an extra point in the group stage. I think this would encourage players to respect their opponents and play more cleanly. Of would make the competition more fair and reduce aggressive behavior of the field. One important benefit is during millions of fans travel from different countries, which helps hotels, restaurants, and local businesses. The World Cups also creates jobs and improves infrastructure such as roads, airports, and stadiums. In conclusion, I would create the fair play bonds rules, and I think hosting a World Cup brings more benefits than challenge to the host country. Thank you for your listening.